to Run Guitar. We have Dean Lewis here with the song called Poison. And it's a very Dean Lewis-ish song, this one. It has his DNA with the melody and the strumming, pretty much in the same with the entire song. You can choose either melody or strumming, and that's it. That's what's going on. So we're gonna use a capo here on the first fret, and with that we have the simplest chord possible. So let's go through the chords. We have 5 chords. So yeah, let's start with the main 4 chords. We have A minor, F, C, and that G6/B. So A minor first. That goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have F next. That's a bar chord, so you're gonna place your index finger like this on the first fret. You're gonna cross all strings there, push them down, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. We have C next. And that goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Then we have that G6/B. And that goes second A, open D, open G, third B, and open E. That's the 4 main chords, but to handle the bridge/outro later, we just need to throw in the standard G chord as well. So that goes third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. So let's go into that pattern first of melody. So we're gonna play A minor, F, C, and this G, B chord. We're gonna do it chord by chord, starting with that A minor part first. It goes like this. Okay, and the principle is the same for all of these chords. So once you learn one, it's very simple to go to the next chord, just different notes. You're gonna alternate 2 notes here. You're gonna start always now with this bass note together with this melody note, which is now the open A string, that's the bass, and the first fret B string. So this will be the grip for A minor. Start that kick, and then you're gonna continue with the bass first, so open A, then first B, and then you're gonna do that for 4 times. And you're gonna end on that open A bass notes. And that's it. That's 1 round. So slowly like this. And yes, it's about the alternating picking here, but still you need to learn the rhythm going on here and the timing for it. So the timing is like this. Okay, so a couple rounds. Okay, so you're gonna play this just once, but that is just for the purposes of the kind of rhythm going on to learn that. Okay, so A minor, 1 of these rounds, then you're gonna go into the F part, and again, the same way, the same patterns here, just different notes. So the bass note now will be on the first fret E string. You're gonna alternate that with this second fret G. But you start in the same way with these both notes together, picked. And then you're gonna go with that first E string, second G, and do that for 4 times. And then you're gonna end with that first E. That's the F. So A minor and F together like this. Okay. Over to C now, the notes will be the third fret A string as the bass note, and the open high E for the melody note. So again, same pattern. And then we have the final GB chord. It will be the second fret A string as the bass note, and the third fret B string as the melody note. Same pattern gives us. And that's 1 round. So let's go through 1 round from the beginning till the end. A minor, F, C, G, B, like this. And that is pretty much 90% of the song. You can combine this or choose to go with strumming, okay? So you're gonna look into that now. A minor first. Now, of course, you need to hold the full chords as they are. So one string around goes like this. Okay, so grab the A minor. You're gonna start with one down. And then you're gonna play up, down, pause, and then again, up, down, up. So first, up, down, a short little pause, and then up, down, up. So all that is one string around. So down, up, down, up, down, up. And a couple rounds. If you miss one up or down here or there, it doesn't matter too much. You just stick with it and it will sound great. So if you choose to go with the strumming, you will do that again. Just one round per chord, A minor, F, C, and G beat. Sounds like this. All right. That is the main part of the song. Now we have this bridge/outro, because we have 4 rounds there in the end, starting at 1 minute and 51 seconds in. The chord version now will be A minor, F, C, and G. Okay, so that G replaces that GB. So what you're going to play first now is 2 rounds of just 1 down per chord. So 2 rounds of that, and the final 2 rounds will be 16 downs per chord. So it will be something like this. And obviously, I'm not counting all these downs. You have to go by feel, okay? So that is the thing. You can go like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Or something like that. It's up to you, but 16 downs is what you're gonna play for the last 2 rounds, and that, my friends, is how you handle Dean Lewis' Poison. A great song and very guitar friendly as well. So give it a shot. Hope you liked it. Until next time, play tuned.